University bojori gikeno ni bojori itie barabara cha makutano MERU bakinaga na kinya gukenera guchokwa kwa Romanas Odhiambo kiri utongeria bwa university eu gukaririkanwa vicio Odhiambo ni araria kwamukira baruga iya kurungi kwa ngugi ni KANJU ya cukuru eu akiringithanwa na utongeria buthuku na ndi mamburaja ARITWA gwikirwa nthumbi jara tuiri kuthithika tariki 11 cha mweri jojo na mambura jara tumiritwe gutira jageta na mbere gukurukira werekeria bobo bwa MINISTA wa KITHOMO EZEKIEL Machogu muthurumuruki ni akurikithia
Muthijonarua ARITWA ba MERU University umwe kwa umwe bakinyandene mutinyo kangangi nikenda bathagana vice chancellor Romanas Odhiambo nyuma kwithwa rungiki gwantu kwitha Idem Odhiambo bagwatanite mwandiki munene wa KITHOMO no Beatrice Nyangala bakinyandene universities na untubwa mbere ni Romanas Odhiambo kwithwa gichoku ya vice chancellor.
The decision to send Professor Odhiambo on terminal leave and to appoint an acting vice chancellor is unlawful because it was made without consulting the cabinet secretary. The university council is directed to facilitate Professor Odhiambo's resumption of office as vice chancellor with immediate effect.
The council had made a decision, but the grassroots, which is the main stakeholder, the student comrades, said that it is not right. And the president has listened. So can we put our hands together just to appreciate the president?
Bajairi betha bakirita watho gwikura thumbe kwa ARITWA kuruka thika tariki 11 mweri juju kuria kugita na mbere na mugeni wa gitio akethwa MINISTA wa KITHOMO no EZEKIEL Machogu.
University's 10th graduation ceremony that was planned to take place on 11th March 2023 will proceed as scheduled. Okay. More still, the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Education, Honorable EZEKIEL Machogu, will preside over the ceremony.
That, my dear students, you have spoken, the country has heard you, the world has heard you, and our good president has listened to you. My prayer for all of you is that our vision, our dream is to be a world-class institution of excellence.
Amona bubu bondirera gititati Professor Romanas Odhiambo ethwa gitarudharo razima bera rudharo rwithira nyuma ntiku ijiri na nande thirikari kethwe kiagirithie mubango jungi ndotigira mbundi ngenjeru kwithwe kithurwa.
The ministry is taking the necessary steps to constitute a successor council in accordance with the law. The council so appointed shall, in line with its legal mandate, address the matter of the position of Vice Chancellor. Signed, Honorable EZEKIEL Machogu.
Mwankira nandi wathobora Minister wa KITHOMO EZEKIEL Machogu itite ni ati ARITWA bethe bagichokera KITHOMO kwambira ruju.
The university management is directed to facilitate the reopening of the university for return of students and the resumption of normal operations not later than tomorrow.
The best that we can do when we respect this university is really to forgive one another and regroup together and start building this university together.
Nkiripotera Uru TV, Bitambo Muriuki.